Hello guys, here I'm unboxing the new GoPro Hero Plus LCD, and I just bought it from like 2 days ago, and now I just found a time to unbox it, and let's get started. Alright, here's the back doors. I think that's for like HD view. These two, yeah, there's it. Here's the rubber. Alright, so here we got the mounts and the holder, or I don't think, what is it. Here's the new generation of charging ports. It's same as the phones, micro USB. Here's the logos. I got like 3, and here is the GoPro. It's a pretty nice camera though. The original model is in. Alright, let's start it. There is it. It's with touchscreen display, and the resolution is like 1080p and 60 FPS. You can film on 720p too. The good thing is that display is touchscreen, and the micro SD is not like the first generation of GoPros. Here is it. Here's the USB port, and the bad thing is you can remove the camera out from the case, but that's okay. That's not a big deal. Alright, so that was from me guys. Have a good day or night, and see you later.